Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop the timer on a Garmin Vivoactive 4 GPS smartwatch. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, let's get to the timer setting, and then I'll tell you about a few other settings that you can use these same buttons for. So we're going to press and hold down on the lower button. Okay, just like this. We're going to choose clocks, and then we're going to choose the timer because you came here wanting to know how to stop the timer, and I'll tell you about a few other modes in a moment, but we're going to choose the timer option right there, the timer setting. We're going to set the timer for 1 minute, which is good to go, and it's telling me to push this up here to start it. So I clicked that and it started the timer. Now how to stop the timer? You click the top button. There we go, we stopped it. You want to continue it? That top button again. The timer's continuing. You want to stop it? That top button. So that's how to stop the timer, okay? Now, what we're gonna do, let's just reset it over there. We'll go back and we'll do a stopwatch instead. So let's say we're doing a stopwatch, right? The top button starts the stopwatch, okay? The top button stops the stopwatch. So if you wanted to deal with the stopwatch, to stop the stopwatch, that's the same way. The top button starts it, or continues it, I should say, and the top button stops it. Now, if you have the stopwatch started and you want to create a lap, you push the bottom button and then you have a lap. Push the bottom button again, another lap. Bottom button again, another lap, okay? You want to stop the stopwatch, you push the top button right there. So whatever kind of version of the timer or stopwatch you're in with the Garmin watch, with the Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch like this, that's basically how it's going to work. I mean, even if you're doing an activity, okay, and you're doing an activity and you want to start and stop the timer, it's basically the same thing, okay? Very, very similar. And I don't, sure, you know what, we'll do it. We'll go ahead. I'll go ahead and we'll do an activity right now. I believe if I swipe this way, no, wrong. That was, oops, no. Nope. We're going to go to the activities. I believe it's that way. Nope. That way. Nope. Okay. This smartwatch is new to me. Oh, you know what? Here we go. I've only had this for a few days, so I'm still getting used to it. We click there. There we go. So let's say I wanted to do a run. Okay. So I click this to start the timer. That's what the play means. And if you want to stop the timer, okay, click the top button again. There you go. We've stopped the timer. Okay. Top button starts the timer, okay? You can hit the bottom button over here, once again to create a lap, okay? That's when it's been started, and then you can continue on and then stop the timer. So basically to stop the timer in any scenario, whether you're doing a stopwatch, the timer, or an activity timer, you push this top button over here. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.